a little update. I got. Well, I will be uploading a Skate 3 video today. Yo, oh, I know. No, I don't care. Oh, see, we're outside again. Well, I'm out. Well, he's outside, and I'm outside again recording. This is his first time out here while I'm recording. Uh, and for all you people that will be up in not too long, and I will not be uploading. I will not be uploading tomorrow because I have no idea on what to upload. Whatever. I don't know whatever. So we're just out here. I'll upload this tomorrow. I'm not uploading this tomorrow. I'm not uploading anything tomorrow. You want to know why? Because my YouTube is boring and nobody watches. I'm just kidding. My YouTube is exciting. And a lot of people watch it. Let me get past here real quick. Get off of my shirt. Ugh. The freaking bitch. There's somebody over there, Jordan. You see him? Who the fuck is that? What is that? I don't know. He just looks like. No, he looks like you know who.
William boy. I think so. Let's go.
No, I'm not moving. If he comes close to me, if he comes closer to us, I'm not moving. If he doesn't come closer to us, I'm not moving. But if he does come closer to us, I'm moving. I know. He's like way back there. Can't see him. He's in red and black, and he has black hair for the cops. For the cops. I'm just telling the information for the cops. Wearing black pants too. Look at what's back here in the backwoods. A little river. Look at our lake. This is our lake, Jordan. I don't know why I don't know. But, yeah, be expecting that YouTube video. Be expecting for that Skate 3 video to be up by tomorrow. Here's my finger. I don't know what's that white crap on it, but oh well. This is gonna be a short video. No, it's actually pretty long. I saw a frog. But yeah. Let's go.
Oh, crap.
What?
I see a white dog.
Ow! Sorry for that camera movement. It was on my left. It was on my right hand, and it was the camera's in my right hand, but I'm holding it with my right arm too, and my arm got trapped on the tree, and it hurt.
Alright, now I'm starting to walk the hall right now. That's his white dog.
Excuse me. Can't be rude. I gotta say excuse me. Can't be rude. Nasty. Then we gotta walk through water. Now my shoes are messed up. Forget it!
Look at that.
I know that. He's too short.
White.
A little sewer thing. That's literally probably the highest point you can get. Like, down here. In this complex. Oh yeah, that skate 3 video. Is a surprise. Well, it's not a surprise. Skate 3 is 36 minutes and 36 seconds long. I don't know how I got it 36 minutes and 36 seconds. I was online with some kids and I was trolling them. I was talking about each other's thingamabobs with each other's moms. Get off of me, mosquito. These kids are like extra small. Their voices are light. Microphone. Yeah! Just so I don't have to text. But the TVs were so loud, I could hear like other people talk. I can hear two voices, I can hear four voices because it was two kids talking, and their TVs were extra loud, so I can hear their voices 2 times. And it's funny. I will be getting a microphone sometime soon.